Welcome to the EdbMails OST to Office 365 Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails OST to Office 365 Migrator enables easy recovery and migration of data from offline OST files directly to Office 365. It effectively recovers corrupt, damaged, or inaccessible OST files while preserving all mailbox data. With its intuitive interface, EdbMails simplifies the migration process, ensuring a seamless transfer to Office 365 with minimal effort. EdbMails lets you preview all mailbox items before the migration, giving you a comprehensive view of your data. The software ensures data integrity throughout the migration process and employs secure authentication methods such as SSL/TLS encryption, OAuth 2.0, and multi-factor authentication. Certified with ISO and compliant with GDPR and HIPAA, EdbMails guarantees the security of your information during the entire migration. Let's explore the step-by-step procedure for migrating OST files to Office 365 with EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select OST Recovery and Migration. Select OST to Office 365. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Browse for OST file. Select the OST file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Wait until recovery operation completion. Expand the mailbox. Select the mailbox folders that you wish to migrate. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the target Office 365. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin account.
Click Sign In.
Accept the required permissions. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option.
Click Continue.
EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration.
Migration operation under progress.
Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free OST to Office 365 migration, visit edbmails.com today.